Okay, so for this one, we are looking for, they're asking us to find the area of the shaded region that's inside the square but outside the circle. And that's this yellow region right here. Okay, and you might easily see that what we need to do is we need to find out the entire area of the rectangle or the square and subtract away the area of the circle. Okay, so what's the formula for each? Well, the area of the square is, and by the way, this is going to be the area of the yellow figure, is the area of the square, which is the side length squared, okay, and take away the area of the circle, which is pi times the radius squared. Now, what they're telling us is that the circle has a diameter all the way across of 6 inches, and that is the same as the side length, right? Going from there to there is the length of that side, and since it's a square, it's in each direction. So what we've got here then is we've got 6 squared minus pi times, and what's the radius of this? Well, if the entire diameter is 6, then the radius is 3. So what we've got then is 36 minus 9 pi. Okay, and you could type that into your calculator, but I'm also going to just calculate pi as 3.14, so I'm going to do 9 times 3.14, and I know to put 3.14 first because 9 down below only gives a single line of digits, so 36, carry the 3, 9 times 1 is 9, 12, 27, 28, and there's 2 digits in the problem behind decimals, so there's going to be 2 in the answer. So that is approximately, and I should change this to approximately, or right on the next line, approximately 36 minus 28.26. Okay? And remember that's rounded off, but if we then say what is 36.00 minus 28.26? I've got to borrow. Hopefully you're competent at the skill of borrowing. $7.74 approximately. And if they say to round it off to the nearest tenth, and they do, right up here, we look at this 7.74 and we say this is in the tenths place. Is this 5 or higher? That would bump that 7 up to an 8. Nope, it's not. So we say we keep it at 7.7, and the units were inches. So we're talking about area. It's inches squared. That is A.